It's November. Not so friendly holiday eating is here, and pumpkin is in everything. Today we keep the pumpkin, but work on the not so friendly part. If you're looking for a quick seasonal dessert, 5 ingredients, that's packed with protein and low in calories, then you've come to the right place. Thanks to the sponsor of this video, Thrive Market, which you can check out below. We'll talk more about that in a second. In the meantime, let's just jump right into the recipe. Start this one by adding into a mixing bowl 1 large whole egg, 120 grams of pumpkin, 15 grams of a complementing flavor protein powder, a little pumpkin pie spice, and a little sweetener. Mix all of those ingredients together until smooth like this. Next, take out a microwave-safe dish, coat it with some non-stick cooking spray, and pour your mix in. Top it with whatever you want, like some nuts or chocolate chips, then put it into the microwave for around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on how powerful your microwave is. You don't have to, but you could also optionally give it a quick mix after 30 seconds to help it cook more evenly. Oh, and for those of you who want a crust or don't have a microwave, add in some graham cracker crumbs and melted butter. Mix those together, pack them down, pour your mix in, and bake it for around 30 minutes. Looks delicious, right? Not only is it delicious, but it's incredibly filling for how many calories it has. If you want a full breakdown on the ingredients and calorie information, I'll include a link to the recipe on our website, theproteinchef.co, below. Now to get to the sponsor of this video, Thrive Market. If you haven't heard of them, they're an online membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone. You can find thousands of your favorite healthy foods and products below retail, and if it's not cheaper, they'll price match it. They also have a vast selection of their own branded products, which is what I've been ordering. If you want to check them out, you can do so by going to thrivemarket.com/theproteinchef or via the link in the description. You'll get 30% off your first order and a free gift worth up to $60 when you join. Before we end this one, those of you who decorate for Christmas, do you prefer colored or white lights? Let me know in the comments. I'm in a debate here. With that said, thank you for watching and to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Hit that thumbs up button for some more seasonal recipe ideas. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. And of course, stay healthy.